me a god. They call me a god.
Hey there, I'm going to start with changing my eye color to a beautiful green. Then I'm going to snatch my face a little in 3, 2, 1, voila. Now I'm going to moisturize my face. Next, I'm going to apply some foundation, and I am going to be using my hands. Reason is because I want the makeup to look a little cakey and thick. I'm still going to use a dense brush to blend a bit of the foundation for a seamless look, plus add some more to cover my freckles. Now I'm going to powder my T-zone and eyelids with some translucent face powder. I'm going to brush my eyebrows with some clear brow gel to remove some of the foundation. And then I'm going to add some brown brow gel to darken just a tiny bit my eyebrows, as today I'm keeping them as natural as possible. Now, I'm going to add some black eyeliner just under my waterline. And then I'm going to rub my eyes with my fingers like so. Then I'm going to slightly line my lid, and with a brush I'm going to soften what I've just smudged under my eye. Now I'm going to add an orange shimmery eyeshadow. I'm using the BH Cosmetics Galaxy Chic palette. And I'm applying this shade from the outer corner till the middle of my mobile eyelid. With a soft black eye pencil I'm going to mark where the lines of the diamond shape are going to be. I am not going to use the liquid eyeliner just yet, because I want to be able to blend and smudge this later. Once I like the markings that I made, I am going to join the outer corner line with the middle line, keeping it slightly curved, then joining with a straight line the outer corner line with the lash line. I hope I am explaining well. These things are better seen than heard. Now, with a small fluffy blending brush, I'm going to blend the eyeliner to kind of create a shadow in that corner. With the same brush, this time with a black eyeshadow, I'm going to create like a wide triangle and slightly blend it closer to my inner eye corner, but I'm not joining the line. Since I have black on my brush, I'm going to set and intensify the black eyeliner that I've previously blended. Now I'm going to use a black liquid eyeliner to create sharp lines on my forehead. Don't go too long. Just about an inch long. I'm also intensifying the other lines with the black liquid eyeliner. Now that I've finished my upper lid from the liquid eyeliner, I am going to add a few small strokes under my eye, and finish it with a straight line like I did on my eyebrow. To make my eyes look bigger, I'm going to add a light-colored pencil in my waterline, and some black mascara. I will not be applying any false lashes today either. I'm going to start contour, and to be honest, I'm not going to be doing anything too big. My main intention today is to create some hollow in my cheeks. Her nose is already similar to mine anyway. As always, I'm blending the contour using the same dense brush I used to blend my foundation and work in small round motions. I'm also trying to make a sharper chin, so I am blending the contour around my chin area. Then blended the rest of the contour and just warmed the skin around my nose. Next, I felt like I needed more definition in my eye work, so I fixed it. Then I've added some blush on my cheek to give some color. And added some powder contour under my jawline for definition. Now I'm going to add some concealer on the highest point of my cheek and nose tip to make it look like I have bigger and higher cheekbones and pointier nose. I've also added a line on my jawline for a more defined jaw. And a tiny bit on the center of my chin to make it look pointier. Next, I'm going to line my lips with a red lip liner, and then I'm going to fill in my lips with a red lipstick. I'm not going to use liquid lipstick today as I intend to smudge the look later. Now I'm not sure this is a great idea, but I have a picture in front of me of Lady Gaga and he seems to have these lines next to her lips. And so I thought I'm going to try and add more lines to try and look similar. Leave me a comment and let me know if these lines made any justice to this look. I'm also going to add some more definition to my nose to make it look like it's more narrow. Hair up. And show time. For the second look, I'm going to be using a fixing spray to wet my face. Then I'm going to start rubbing my eyes. I want to make it look like I was crying and mascara ran down my face. Then with the lips, I wanted to smear it only on the sides, almost creating a blurred smile, similar to what the Joker has. And finally I just dragged my fingers across my face, just to make it more messy. Then lastly I wanted to bring back just a bit of redness because her lips are very bright in the pictures. But I also elongated the smile line in a messy and creepy way. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.